Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing a smart bulb by CapeTronix. An 8 watt, 60 watt equivalent like brightness, but we'll test that in the video. Typically 2.4 gigahertz. It's an easy setup, 750 lumens, suitable for enclosed fixtures, and this does work with the Amazon and the Google Assistant. E26 bulb, dimmable, easy setup, create groups, so you can have one like living room bulb, so you can set them all to the same color. You have remote access and you can set schedules. So you have a really nice setup guide right here, which platform you can download this on, which is helpful. And it goes through all the processes on how to set them on both assistants. So I don't need to get through that in this video because it's just very, very informative on this. Now I did install one of them, so one of them does not look new. CapeTronix 56 hertz 0.15 amp of max. It's either a comma or a period, but if it's a period it would have been 0.8. So I think that's a comma, so it's 8 watts max. So yeah, this is the style right here, so where it can fit. So it is glass. All right, so we have it set up right here, as you can see. Turn it on. That's how bright it is. I believe it's on cool white. We're gonna go and turn off our other lights. So we turned it off. Now, as you can see, we only have the bulb here. It's a bit dirty, but we're gonna go ahead and change the color. Change gaming bulb to red.
Okay.
As you can see, that's what it looks like. Now I do have that light on, so just keep in mind, but the changing colors is not bright at all. I'm gonna turn this off. Look how dark it is. Green bulb to blue.
Okay.
As you can see. Yeah, I know it's one bulb. It does look cool, however, but it's just super dark. Looks cool, but it's extremely dark. I have these light bulbs from GoSun. They're really, really bright compared to these. I believe the price on this is like 20 bucks. For this one, it's like, I think 30 or 40, maybe 20. I'm not too sure on this price, but it comes with 4. It only has 2. I'm gonna do a comparison between these two if you want to see a video, but it's basically way better, this one. Don't get me wrong, it is pretty good for the price. I believe it's 20 bucks, so 10 bucks a piece, which is typical on smart bulbs, but it is not bright at all. One you would use it for is white, but at that point you're not supposed to be getting a colored bulb for only white. So yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure to like, comment, of course, to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.